Where are some mama? Oh, you mean, mama? Pick up yourself now. Oh, you mean, that is it. Tum, 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 tum. What a style I call my people?
Save the pot. Save the pot. Save the pot.
Charger.
So it name.
Charger.
Save the pot from black.
Save the pot from black. And Anglo want another rock there, so.
No, it's Anglo. Oh, it's a lot.
Oh.
The heater coming up in
Yeah. My people, check here now. How that, my
Yeah,
people?
man, one and only Mr. Lifestyle. No, man.
Yeah, man.
That man over there catching the stick fire. Him call it the wood fire.
You better know. When I see Sharp Boss and he say, oh,
Them
mash
can
up
go
down
and
the
talk, you
road.
know, go tell me about an wood fire, you know. Them garbage go cut stick.
It's a sharp boss, a boy cut stick.
Yeah, man. Big man cut wood, man. Boy cut stick.
Hey, Brambles. A Brambles them a come over it. Alright. You see that, my people? That a go on, you know. Yeah, man. And my people, whole heap of activity I go take place. You see what I deal with my people. Honestly, whole heap of activity. Alright. The best is yet to come. Alright, my people. You see that? That is it. Enough love and respect. All puppy there check in. Yeah, man. Jamaican. How are you run I go when me a forward? Happy birthday. I go out for our day with a link up back for Earth Strong. A blessed Earth Strong, my brother. Make me hand stay steady. That is it. You good, my brother?
Yes, man. Welcome, people.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Junior Lifestyle.
That is it. Yeah, man. So,
Some food and eat and enjoy yourself.
don't.
Yeah, man. That time
Yeah,
is
man.
it.
So, how you feel differently?
Well, very well.
Yeah. I am that, my people. You see that? That's my driver. Yeah, man. That is it, man. That is it, man. That is it. Oh, you mean? Some of them, my people. The one and only Stephanie. You see that, my people? Yeah, man. Mrs. Lifestyle. You see that? All right. Our Mistress Adventure, same way. That is it. So, remember, a queen have many names, you know. Yeah, just like the king. So that's it, you know. So I go on, my people. Yeah, man, check in. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. That is it. That is it. That is it. That is it. That is it, my people. That is Sharpman, my people. Great Sharpman, you know.
Man, there, man.
Yeah, man, at Jamaica, at them best TV.
Yeah, man.
So you know, my
Some
people.
knife, you go do some
That is it.
some slicing and dicing.
And dicing.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean the Curry King?
Yes, no, man.
That is
Just
it.
like
That is
man.
it. That is it.
Active in the kitchen.
See it, my brother. Alright.
You know, reach here. We are sleep. Everywhere go jump and sleep.
See it, my people. That is it. Remember, my people, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a family to tell a family. Yeah, we out here, you know. Jamaican at them best is at Junior Lifestyle of fishing. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. So that is it, you know. Godfrey Osborne is here, my people. So enough love and respect to you all, my people. That is it. The people are so going on. Yeah, man. Fan him up, make him blaze up, you know. That is it. Yeah, man. He might come, man. No trouble him back again, man. He might come. I see him a push his smoke, so I come, he might come. No, you know, man. He might push his smoke. I catch him, I catch. Yeah, catch him, I catch, me dan. That is it, my people. It's a fire blaze there. Alright, my people. Sharp man, I clean up. I clean up there.
No more life. Oh, no life, man.
I clean up. Sharp man, I clean up. Yeah, man, enough knife there. Yeah, them there season up and thing already and marinate. You see me, my people. Look at my people. What you mean? Yeah, man. Look at my people. Look at my people. JB. Yeah, man, we got one. That is it.
No man, pressure piece first, then you pressure cow skin.
Pressure piece first, man.
Yeah man.
Like me just see, me tell say friend fire them already, man.
Fact there. I hope in the air the fact there.
Fire already not do now. How?
Take out that piece of stick. Alright, put a bigger stone.
One bigger spoon.
Yeah. Take off the pot. The man know what, chef know what you must say, man. Take off the pot. I burn up pot around here. That is it. Stay tuned.
No, turn him over.
Yeah, man.
No, chop that.
Chop that.
Yeah, chop that, chop.
Yeah. Put up back the liquor one and move out 2 pieces of the stick.
Turn around.
Alright, now. Yeah, man, my brother. Jamaican, half the earth strong. Half the earth strong, Jamaican. That is it. My people. Jamaican, them people. I put the iPod around there, sir. Put the iPod around there, sir. Yeah, man, just put the iPod around there, sir. And turn the next side. Yeah, put him on the flat side and spin him. We get the lower side. Yeah. But carry him back closer to that.
I'm not telling you, you know.
You put him, sir. Yeah.
It's no easy, you know, man. Got a phone up on the bucket?
Yeah. Hold this to me meantime. Go and get something meantime. I soon come fix the fire. Take up there.
People got a ox coconut, you know. See, man, she had a got fair.
Oh, you chop me, sir.
No, sir. No, father, the auntie, we don't do that. I had the wrong hand, I'm with me, can't chop with the hand there.
You know you have wrong hand, Jamaican.
Yeah, man, the right hand and the wrong hand.
Right hand and the wrong one.
Right hand and the wrong hand.
You must have the wrong.
Yeah, the right hand and the wrong hand. The people watch it. The right hand and the wrong hand, man. You can't use the right hand and left hand. Huh? Left hand. Yeah, we can't use the right hand.
Alright. See, since I can't use your right hand,
Yeah.
lend me, man, come here, whoop you doing a better.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
You go overuse him, man. You got tired.
Have me the entire right now.
Yeah, man, sharp man, I cut up cow skin up here.
I peel the cow skin.
You peel it? Oh, my. Chop it base, man. Go straight round.
A piece of stick. I normally look, you know, Jamaican.
Me see how you do it, but I know if it do.
We just chop them down too, you know.
And spin it around, so.
Yeah, style.
And open it out.
Yeah.
I sum it like how you do it, so I sum it up for it. And I'm a granny. No, bad one, no. Chris, man, no. Bad one,
As excited as you are.
No, sorry, I forget to say your record for you. Sorry, sweet.
But don't call me Rasta.
No, I say fire.
What do you call me dreadlock?
No, I say fire.
Okay.
Dread a terrible thing in a
Yeah.
Call me Rasta then.
Dread a terrible thing in a
Go
God.
drink off.
But
All
Bob
of
Marley
Basha
said
beer a
dreadlocks
while ago.
Rasta.
Eh?
You see me?
Basha River drinky beer.
Hell, I just point it out a
Yo,
while ago.
see that one I know? That one you just busting down the line, same way, and half it chopping around.
That
You
is
know what I mean? And peel them out, same way you jump.
How I go on? The top flyer.
See that, people? Yeah, we're out here.
Set it
Yeah,
down
man.
the river, drink it, I
Real
eat it,
dry
feel like I
coconut
alone,
there.
I go drink it.
See that?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why people Basha what I drink beer? River drink it off him.
The river need a beer to drink it. Where the river bring it and get the word of the beer. So me I relax. The river beat up the whole life.
You hear that, peeps?
They'll show me how I go on. But you have to be careful how you walk. Slide and grab. Give me a next one. Give me that, Chris. You light in there. Pass.
Basha, him give the river in beer, people, so we give him the next one. Don't make the river drink off too much, you know,
No,
Basha.
nah, drink that one here.
Alright.
No what I go on. River mama, them a river man. Drink it. Put the stand up. You can't.
You say river mama take away beer.
Yeah, you want a beer.
Sure, sure.
Right, it's on the outside, man. Water.
That in the hand.
Water warm and easy. No cold enough. Warm and easy. With a nice river beer. Nice river beer, you know? Warm and easy. Let me light it there. I'm gonna bust up this. But the mud, you have to walk carefully though. The mud is slippery down there. Now come sir.
The people make it Basha, so.
You know you are walking out. After you will slide and drop.
Me know if you swim. Me know if you swim, boy.
Yeah, man. You will slide and drop.
God is good. We pray.
And God deliver.
Welcome, brother.
That is it. The people we have the angel over here, so.
Are you me have to carry him back, come look for him. Come with the camera. I want Jungle, I want to carry for land and I want stone. What in young? Yeah, real talk. See that?
Oh yeah, people see the crayfish.
Oh, look
I'm
at
telling you,
Jungle.
someone catch one.
Oh, hold him and go let it go.
Watch out,
Yeah,
you catch him back.
yeah.
Hold him, man, by his strand. By his strand, I'm here. Make him go survive, but come back and get big. So people will release back the jungle and the river. You come out, him get roasted now, take your time. Yes? Fry. Just fry, no.
I want like Jonah.
No, we didn't have none of
This
that.
time,
No,
every
no,
time
man,
when I
bro.
cook pork, you don't want to give me none.
And like, we not give
I know why. That's taxi wild people. What you want, wild?
Why you sell it wild?
Me ask Jonah if I the wild I give my cook. Jonah said no. Oh, every time me I come,
People see the man at river man drinking beer. True, man. Our papa in the cold.
No good water out there, sorry. Good river, fish.
No, for we side on JJ, no enough river there, man. I tell you, brother, what me do. Very good. JJ Adventure, big up yourself, bro. #1 diver. I back over right for side and move to catch fish in the river.
Okay.
Don't go try to see me and JJ go down from PG and them place and catch good fish.
So no big fish on hungry.
Yeah man, yeah big.
And then big
Yeah, peeps, check it out, man.
yeah man. Yeah, my family jump up. Oh, you man, the family jump. They can't put it in the jump. Good.
That is it, Basha.
No, you
Yes, man. What the people, just enjoy themselves, same speed. Yeah, man. That's right. People Father Jonah put in some fish in a pot.
Yeah, man, get some swim around or fish in a pot.
That is it.
Yeah,
Work
man.
with the swim around.
Yeah. See? So look how we do it. Yeah, man. See? Yeah, man, we season we fish in a season water and make them marinate in it, you know?
Okay.
And then we get them out so the season soak throughout the fish. Instead you just rub it in a cold like you and put a little slice on the side and rub the season on it. And
Soak
rub it in
in.
a deli. It marinate the whole of it when they do it down here. And then the season gets very steep on the fish. And
Yeah,
burn
make
in
it
a
so,
oil.
make it taste salty.
Yeah.
Man, that's
Yeah, man. The balance right through.
That is it. Still,
Me no have no part to do with it. Me nothing when touch it.
God fear come over here, you know.
It is Jamaican.
Yes, man. People got a easy back, but we catch him.
Blessed love, my people. Yeah, man, viewers and my subscribers. My viewers and my subscribers. Jamaican at them best TV. You see that?
is
Take
it.
me out for an awesome moment at Judah Lifestyle. You see where we are dealing with people because I can't even support myself. Rule number one. You know, I no disrespect. You see me? And people, everything what you say, Jamaican at them best TV. Big up to you, my brother. Thumbs up.
team.
You see
Our
me,
team,
people, remember, you know, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Jamaican at them best TV. We are come from day one as a team, and I love how we must spread the love and the joy. Yeah, you know, honestly, be honest. And we are Juna Lifestyle, a fishing, my people.
Yeah, on the
Honestly,
river.
my people, it's an awesome moment. Yeah, man. We're out
Cooking
here.
are going over
We are
there,
the
sir.
team.
Yeah.
So that is it, Jamaican. So Jamaican, you have a nice time for your birthday.
Yeah, man, me enjoy it, man.
But no make them tell you say I belated though, you know, cause I never lated, you know. I just the moment, you know, a whole month of you.
Straight
Go on.
up. Of course,
Just
I
when I
will.
go there say where you born, December, March, April, and when your birthday I come. Yeah, December man. So yeah, April man.
That
the
is
whole
it.
month of you, my brother. That is it. Oh you mean? Blessed brother Jamaican at them best. And big up to your wifey. Oh you mean?
Alright.
Big up to my sister. You see that? You alright? Oh you mean?
Wife, you hear that? Big
Yeah,
up
man.
yourself.
Yeah man, big up yourself. Big
That's
up
a nice,
your
clean river, yeah. I'm sure so I go on the river, yeah, wife. The river there. May I get that?
Jamaican! Jamaican! That is it! Oh, you mean?
So nice, we time, you are
see it, people? If you can't even swim, you can't chuck off. Oh, you mean? That is it. If you can't even swim, you can't chuck off. You will learn to dive, man. Stone man never learn to dive with people. You will learn to dive, man. That's true. You want longer water now. You want longer water now, man. That is it. That is it, my people. It's a good look, you know, remember, you know. To check in with Jamaica at them best TV. Yeah, man. And Jonah lifestyle of fishing. You see that, my people? Oh, you mean? Yeah, man. What you say, a massage? Yeah. Who a massage you? Water. Lord of goodness. We think you that's a mama. You know the river mama there?
Drink out the man there. Drink out the man there.
Yeah, man, she have to drink too, man. She a nature, you know. That is it, my people. It's a good look out there. We out here. Jamaica at them best TV.
Why invite them down a yard at all? Why invite them down a yard that they can't come and see it? I enjoy the scene. As well, so.
Hey, first time me and somebody go and see, you know. Say to them, say, stand up there, so, and teach us something. Let me go up and go, so.
Then if you tell us somebody says stand up there, so.
I tell them to move, she move and not follow me.
You kill her for the girl, Jamaican.
This shit, man.
You kill her. You kill her for the girl, Jamaican. Yeah.
I said to her, I said, don't walk and show you something. Let me go, so.
That is it. You see it, my people, nice water, you know. Can come and relax. Yeah, man, at Jonah Lifestyle of Fishing. Link up with Jamaica at them best TV. We out here, my people. Look at that beauty that you all love to see. See, my people, that luxury, my people, that you all like to see. That greenery. Look at it, my people. Charger. Now I tell you, my people. Yeah, man, remember. Mama, what the river name again? That one here. Oh, alright, that is it. Now say I heard. Where they are Jonah Lifestyle of Fishing, some people that I really want to tell you now. Just check in at Jonah Lifestyle of Fishing. You see me? And you get the best cool out and the best river spot or the best seaside, the best food cook, the best of everything, the best liquor drink. You see what I deal with? The best soup drink. Look them my people. The best fry fish. Yeah. You see that? My people. Oh, you mean? The best roast fish in a file. You see that? The best. Yeah. The best piece pot boil with file paper wrap around you. Pressure cooker. You see that? And the best one with fry fish. Jonah Lifestyle of Fishing. The man in the kitchen. Yeah, that is it, my brother. That is it, my brother. Highly respect my brother. God for truly appreciate what you do for me. I appreciate love what you do for me. But people, you know, God for truly appreciate what Jonah do for me for all the years that we link with Jonah. He never tell we no. It's a dull moment if he tell we no, people. He even call we back and say, alright, make we do that or make we do that or if I saw, you know. But he never tell we no.
Loyalty, you know.
Honestly, my brother. Honestly, my brother. Honestly.
And that is what more important.
That is it. That is it, Jonah.
Because them say love. Love is nothing. It's loyalty.
Yeah, love and love alone.
Yeah, man.
Charger.
You know?
Charger.
Is the key.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See it, my people, check in with the fish them are frying a pot, then, man. Nice, a Jonah Lifestyle, man. You know what I tell you, man. I want another pot there again, Jonah.
You know, sir, I chintan in
I pork in another pot there. Lord God. I say, people they want to see it, yes, man. I'll me too. Because you don't know, about the truth, the aroma where I go lick me, you see me have to ease off, else to go jump.
So we put the file paper on it to make it
ease off, brother.
Yeah, man.
Watch there. Whoa,
Some brown stew
whoa,
pork, you know?
whoa, my God.
Yeah, man.
Look at that, my people. Whoa.
See it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See it?
Yeah, man. Jamaican at them best TV at Juna Lifestyle.
Yeah, man. Happy
Yeah.
birthday to you, you know?
Happy birthday. Say that again.
Yeah, man. Happy birthday to him, isn't it?
You see that?
Jamaica not them best TV.
Oh, you
Hope
mean?
live to see many more youth.
That is it.
Yeah,
That
man.
is it. Prosperous, you know? Curry King. A curry cow skin soup. Sorry.
No, that's not what they request.
And a curry cow skin
You
soup.
know, so if you left me alone, I'll be a curry round here, I know, I told you not request it.
Me say,
But, yes, I don't know. Now I'm going to use no curry night, you know, but the soup how becomes curry.
okay.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so my people, look for see the curry cow skin soup coming up, you know, cause a curry king. You don't know. Alright. Mama, heart of love no mama. That is it, mama. Enough love. Respect, honestly. My people. See diver there. See diver then there. My people. See diver then there.
I can find a crawfish, but me not feel no.
Stop catch out the jungle them out of water, Jamaican.
Catch me that I feel for two.
You know all I can come give me in a stone.
Oh no, okay, man.
Also some mullet there. Some mullet them my people. You can you see them my people. And the hopefully wish you can all see them. Some mullet a swim around them my people. Yeah man. Some young mullets, you know. Yeah man, fruitful. Some mullet Mr. Jamaican Jonah then shoot off of the water here, you know, my people. But stay tuned, my people, you know we're outside on an adventure. So that is it. Enough love and respect. We're there here, my peeps, we're there here. So stay tuned, watch what go on. Yeah. Yeah.
People, other day and jail, get some coconut.
Yeah, man. You know, dry nuts, you know.
Dry nut. Dreadnut, yeah, it's a dry nut.
Dry nut.
Okay.
Not dreadnought.
It's a dread terrible thing.
And broke up the coconut, you know.
So you look later.
How broke you up, Godfrey? God, you broke up the coconut, so man. So God, a fire left for me stand up on. Good, there.
A long time you can't over this and can't back over here, man.
When I time I think a somebody catch me, I look on the side, I tell me what you see.
Blood,
Oh.
Yeah. Soon call the signal bad down here, I notice it. And go for
Yeah.
line.
Down in this part. People in the city river. Yeah man, we're there, man. I go and enjoy ourselves. They up on the river. Doing them over there, so I'm doing them. Water the peeps, clean. Nice, babes. You know I love this river, you know. Yeah man, I have to bring her come down and I come. See? Yeah. Yeah. 30 minutes talking to one people. That's somebody just a swim a while ago. You know. Right, that's somebody a swim a while ago. Yeah man, so we are go back across and now peeps. Doing a tour of a nice river. Water cool. There's some water going on, you know. Some water different way I come back. See the slippers them there, so. Yeah, so I go back on and that is it. That's the father up there, so father in the kitchen. Get in some like some ketchup father, get in for me. Make some sauce. The NG there. Charles boss I go and purpose seasoning them same way. I soup at that time people. Yeah, and the pork pot there up there so. The one there. I soup at that in the nigga. There's a little cow skin in there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I cow skin are going to pressure cooker, man. I go and prepare it to cook.
What a nice pressure cooker there.
Put some pumpkin on it. Go on. Aye.
People father says not the whoop, the anal butt.
Man, get some seasoning nice, you know? Make sure it's nice, you know?
That is it.
I last purple pizza, final touch. You know? With the rosemary and the alvan and something, you know?
It's not run yesterday, man. Yeah, yesterday, man.
Alright, so we have a lock in and make me stay there and go on.
Don't
The fish them finish. See, fish fire done with.
Yeah, man, see fish them over there, so.
fly past us, I rock it to blow. I do like a music.
Wow. A new style. DNG, I hear. Dog this. Oh, I'm coming here.
I didn't even know people then can pick you up and carry you away with them. Eh?
People want to know me find a new friend on the river.
Alright, that's why they can tell me I'm friendly.
You know, bite him and a good dog. I pet this one.
I ain't got them people come and get the good dinner.
But you look like puppy where you get here kind of maga.
I pet this one. Come here. 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 Nah, tell her, come here. Come here. Alright. You go like you want to come, sir. You go like you want to come, sir. Enough dog, me raise, you know. Come here.
You look like you want nobody now. You run off with the while and I hook up your tail and I feed up your mouth.
Yeah, why you not bite, man?
Birthday boy, watch our guy with their fried some chicken for you and the guests, you know?
Respect our manners, sir.
The first set them there, look. Feel like chicken already if you want to call a bite, you know? Yeah, man.
You know the leg in there?
Yeah, man, see one part top there, man. And down there, bottom, no, down there, below.
No, below.
Yeah.
People watch us.
I try to make sure so everything starts out on the top, you know?
Sure.
We don't even know where rain there, no people. Rice in the pot here. See there? One. Yeah? You see? Yeah, man. So we get some balance of the water because you see, the rice that we get in the chop kind of them crack rice like. So we don't know in a bag after we buy it until we reach home. You see it? So we have to know how you cook the rice there. Skill to it now. Yeah, man.
Put more chicken again, people. Yeah, must have fish. Our skin has to boil them. Fresh out.
So my brother full joy himself and he's strong. That is it, you know, my people. How you mean? We're out here active. That is it. So a chicken I go on Jamaican. But I will on, how you do this a little while? I finger you lick Jamaican? Lord God, you said finger licking. I tell you, yes. A Juna fried chicken. That is it.
Juna lifestyle fried chicken.
Juna lifestyle fried chicken. Alright, Jamaican. That is
You can't
it.
get you on your lifestyle, no? I've come at Juna lifestyle.
Style, no joke. Yeah, man.
The friend of people. Friend drink 2 beer and river man tumble him down. He nearly drop.
Where's the go at Jamaican?
Drink 2 beer and the river man tumble him down.
That is it, my brother. That is it. Driver, walk on. Stay steady, you know. Yes, man. You have to easy back for chewing, you know. Give no trouble, driver. Help to go. I can't go home. All right. That is it, my people. Stay tuned. Watch what go on. Are you? Yes, turn up, boy. Curry King, curry cow skin soup, my people. Curry cow skin soup.
And no cow skin not going out now, so it's so pretty already. No going out now, the food alone not is a party now.
Who are going sharp back?
Me I show you,
I
man.
not tell you, Curry King. That is it.
Man, I just want to get season stuff and everybody drink and I think cow skin nice.
Lord goodness.
Yeah, man. Man, I cow skin my precious.
The people say the great man there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. To the great man there, my people. The great man. The team out, you know, my people. Fully active. All right. I'm soon show you how I go on. Look at my people. Look here. Jeez. Look at my people. Look there. Look there. That is it, my people. See that, my people? Some nice fried chicken there, adjourn, my people. That is it, you know. What you mean? Some nice fried fish there, blow up, my people. You know what I mean?
Alright. Better joke.
Big up, no disrespect, big up Jam Houston fan Jamaican at them best TV.
Alright.
What you mean?
Bless up. Jamaica at the best TV. Yeah, man. How you mean? People, I want the whole of my supporters, them. If I 1 or 2 or 3 or 20 or 1 million, I don't jump over there. Give the man the full strength, you understand?
Yeah, man.
We're not for yourself alone, we're for everyone with YouTuber friends, them. Yeah, man. So see that we are share the love, people. We're there, so.
That is it, George. Respect, man. Respect, man. That is it, man. We're there, here, my people.
Yeah, man,
You see that?
all of me. Yeah, man, I want all of my people in my brad, you know. Yeah, man. I talk all of my supporters in America, whether you're white, Spanish, Hispanic, black, whatever color you are, whatever creed, whatever race you're from, I want you to just jump onto this channel and support this channel, right?
Yeah, man. For real, George, man. Big up, man. Big up, man. Big up, man. Big up, man. My people were there here and active. So I go on, my people. Yeah. My people, JB, I catch up himself, you know. I catch him, I catch up himself, you know, my people. You hear what I'm saying there, my people? Alright, that is it, my people. We're there here, you know. Yeah, man. Active. See the Angie there. JB said the spirit of...
The Angie!
The
I'm going for the spirit.
Angie!
No, man, cut the empty, man.
You know, we will be get done.
Well, that's true. That's true.
Take your That is it. We're out here, my people. We're out here, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. We're out here, my people. Everyone active. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See my peeps. Yeah, man.
That would make for.
Respect.
Right now we have video, you see? I never did a video when you catch this. I catch me in action yesterday.
Lord God.
Deep sea, that's when you ever catch.
You have to go give you a sea invitation if you want to go.
Talk to Angela,
Yeah. All right.
next one.
Before we can start off cam, we talk. Yeah, no disrespect the people. Check in later the people. We're there here fully active. See the down there. I go on full joint strength, you know. Yeah man, yeah man. Yeah man, and big up to wifey, you know. Jamaica not them best wifey. Yeah, you know yourself. Yeah, the greatest. Loved by God. Yeah. Yeah man, yeah man. Loved by God.
No, I'm married now. I'm Michigan and I can't buy.
Alright, enough love and respect. And water.
Wash car.
Yeah. You see that? Mm-hmm.
Judge fool me, I tell about here.
Yeah, man, we can, you know.
That is it, my people. You see that connection there? Jam Houston and Jamaica not them best. Link up at Juna Lifestyle of fishing.
You think long time, you know, you better know that.
You know.
Hey, yeah, well, the support I said,
Yeah, man, a true George, man. A from then time they were support you, you know, George, man.
Jamaica news. I don't
Yeah,
even
man.
call the name, brother.
Me know what you say, man. We don't call it for true, man.
My heart bleed when
That's why I mix up with two
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
man.
I know you want to do it, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
But the reason why I do it so close is to drag the people them over to it. You understand?
Yeah, man. I man.
Name and thing like that.
Yeah, you know, that is it, my
People
people.
with their same way.
People want to, all of my viewers them. I watch this man to go over to News and support this time and support them.
That is it.
Yeah, man, that's what I do. One and watch the other, you see it? Yeah, man, that's why we do this. Yeah, man.
I remember our month in the 5th, April, you know.
Yeah, man, bless. Our month for real.
That is it. That is it. That is it. That is it. That
And
is
we have a
it.
birthday girl over there, so you know, come up to you.
Yeah, I win.
Friday, Saturday again.
Mama,
See her there.
me can't believe me I put up on camera. Cause you insult me. Yes. And when on your birthday, you know, say, God, me I invite you on my birthday.
Friday. I never plan to do nothing.
You never plan for, Mama, you have to go do something for we. Yes.
On my birthday, I want to do something for me.
Then make we plan now and do something for you, Mama. Me and DNG and Sharpman and Juna and where that one the name in a red shirt.
Hey, listen to me.
And where that one the name there, so. And George. And the whole away.
I just say, Mr. Houston.
You want me to tell you no what to do? I am very much tired. I am not taking on any more work. Or no give me money and me go road to enjoy myself.
Alright, you want
All right.
Judge,
April people, let me know.
we can't
April
stand no
people.
more.
Alright, that's why I'm
No,
but they're not
Take a picture like 3 April people. 3 April people. them.
One chair.
Where you say?
Cock up your foot.
Yeah, man,
And then
April
cook
No, the picture kind of go dark away.
You know how they are funny.
Yeah,
Hold on, man.
No work with the more funny.
You can't stay side.
Yeah. You might feel, yeah, the picture go dark away there.
Everybody
So.
else that jump around and that. That is
Yeah,
all you
man.
know is important.
April people, you know. See it there. Yes.
That is it. That is it. That is it. Hold on, they don't want to cut off your George.
See? No. See, here is for that, you know. See, here is for that. The whole of the left him out and we are here that you see him
No,
star.
yeah, but you know, they tell us that April and Taros people are them compatible. But me feel like they wrong, you know.
No, man, we are one same way, man. And that is it, not because of
That is it, the people. Look at the love we out here with, you know, unity and the strength is a family thing, you know. Look over the side and my people are going.
We are area, man. We are area.
You see that, my people? Yeah, man.
When it's true, not quiz me for.
Not it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, there, man. Outside.
That is it.
Yeah, man, away from the super children.
So we're ready for it, you know? Yeah, ready for it, man. Ready for it, man.
Man, people, curry soup I drink.
Yeah, me tell the people I'm curry cow skin soup.
Hey, you hold on there. You say fat liquor.
And I really am put curry in my body.
You say fat liquor. You say fat liquor. You say phone on now, get none.
And you want no curry king, man. You can't do that, man. No, curry king, man. Alright.
People see a machine there, you know. I need one. If it's two, you know, boy.
So
People.
basically, you have shot. Yeah, man, you can't fire marble night, anything, you know. So, that's how when you full straight.
See that, peeps? Yeah, people, so we're there. And full drive ourselves. So, Basha. And Basha. What you have to say to the people in Basha?
Jamaica TV, they say.
Jamaica not them best TV.
Jamaica the best TV. Don't know outside. Eh? Looking good. No, you video something. I'm a calm woman. I video
That is it.
I'm a calm. Drinking out, man. Yeah, man.
That is it.
Big up.
Yeah, man. So we drive by your peeps. You can reach safe and sound.
Yeah, man, Jamaica is best TV.
Yes, sure.
Yeah, man. Manners and respect. Man.
No.
Machine them and people. I'm cover go pass, but it's a real machine.
Yeah, man. See,
Yeah, man. We need the people that want one of these, and we need one. Yeah, man, look on it good.
stretch out.
Okay.
Full blast, full length, that's all. It's a two-shot, Yeah, so I'm just going to do a little demonstration.
People are going to demonstrate how this works.
Okay? No, you're not going to do that.
Yeah, I do.
No, don't.
Happy Earth strong.
Respect you, my bro.
Possible to link up here.
That is it.
Alright, so you don't know Jamaican at them best. Fully active for people. Full support. Alright, here.
That is it.
No, but me, I just hit sick.
D&G and the people. Yes,
Big
man.
up on yourself, people. Remember, man, I watch the video with them people. Remember, man, just thumbs up, man. And share, man, to your fellow friend and brother and sister, man. Just share up the video, man. Like up the video, man.
A true
Pick
man.
up the man.
A true man. Jam
Yeah,
Houston said that too.
That is
Jam
it.
Houston endorse that.
Yeah,
See?
man.
The people Jam Houston are going to give you a demonstration of how the good machine works.
Yeah, so I don't know if you want to take a close-up thing, you know, like come close and so on. So. Yeah, man.
The people are getting a
So
close-up
people-
view.
This is a Chinese-made slingshot rifle, right? Very nice design and thing like that. And we buy it and we decide to we're going to check it out and we test it out and it works nice.
That is
So if you can notice that a regular slingshot only carry like 2 rubber, right? This carry 4 rubber on each side, which is 8 rubber. So this is like multiplying the power of an ordinary slingshot by 8 and see how powerful this thing is, right? So basically what you do, you have the release button here, so then you just push back the slide, you put it in your shot, and you can use even marble in it, guys, on different size, caliber, bearings, steel bearings. So you put it in this house like the rubber is, so it give you enough play for you to set the bezel between the trigger mechanism, and then now you can just use your foot and pull. Now you have full power right now, ready for fire.
Let me
You
see it,
understand?
That is it.
Yeah, really ready for fire.
Yo, give me a
right
gun,
now,
no,
so
man.
You want bust it
People
then?
the go bust
Put
it
up on
gun.
back, you know.
Oi, remember say you
I shoot something, brother.
That's you not say what go on.
Now water there so make it people.
Put on back to me, go shoot this thing, man.
No, no. Water before you call them come so you can feel, you know.
I want to shoot something, brother.
Then you want shoot a buckle.
Oi, see one box out now water there so pan the sitting there so already. So one good target there. Let me see how good he is.
The people, then I go shoot that buckle.
Hold on there, hold on. So one back in there.
See scope on it there too in the Angie.
So I'm moving target.
Nice, a marksman! Ah! Hey, for the marksman! A marksman! Connect! Connect people, a marksman!
No, we can't believe it, man.
Danji! Marksman! People are some power.
And it's a moving target.
First, we touch on that move.
A moving target. I still wear those, man. Still beard. Yeah, them are
I try, I test it out. Yeah, I test it out. Back
See target they further out now.
Let's see if I look at a buck up. Come in, Danji.
He never use this man, he just blind, he just set, he just aim. This no set. And so him just aim, naturally aim.
Yeah man, just like when I set the fish gun.
Hey, good man. If I didn't want
Back a gun.
Who next?
God, I come test it. Oh, yeah, the free record.
So one buckler moving in the water we out there so. Since I only say the 2 near, see one out there so I swim away.
Father Junior, you're bad for the moving target and you now come test it out.
So you see, there's a little game this year now, so everybody man, I want to set up target and man, I want
In Father Junior, you're bad for the moving target and you now test it out.
Come sir, everybody a competition now.
No.
Set up.
You blame. Lucky one. No miss. No miss, Danji.
Full your water and so one box, full your water too.
The people will full up the target then.
How you feel when you fight, DNG?
It be nice, my sweet man.
You feel powerful,
Yeah, man.
too. And you don't have no,
No impact with jerk me.
You know, no, because I release, you know. I just open up and let go, you know. You understand? You know,
Come in a friend, don't stop me.
yeah, you know, no recoil. You know, no recoil.
This a music,
open up and release. No, you say you rest on your shoulder. You rest up on your shoulder, so.
Like I from
You
about.
can put your hand under here to support this. In there already, so you mind.
Yeah, don't shoot the man when I set up the back.
And it's free, free, it's free.
Yes, so we are telling you.
We are the something that the man
No,
has
you
set
can't
up the
use this,
target.
you know, it's scope, this is scope, not the
Then
pan,
you ain't
this is
different
just
man.
a laser light. So you just have to judge, where you are. Laser have knife. Alright.
Alright, people, second shooter out there.
Too
Too high, that too, I mean, that too high.
No man, yes sir.
Danji, a teacher.
One side
Yeah.
of the string of your
Box
rubber.
our back here, here, Pastor.
Miss. Miss. Danji, a star, man.
I can't manage it. Go again.
No, sir. I think I said, okay, people will try to can test the target then.
Yeah, one man. Next shooter.
Yeah. People Bashi, I go try it now. Hold it down some more, Bashi.
You just have it.
Tell him to hold it down at that reach me. Hold it
You just have
down.
to take your own aim, you know?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man, it's soft, man.
And sweet for fire in that.
Next show,
Yeah, tell them, man. Want to go in the bush. People are there and G son this, you know.
in a move. But if you put back on yourself, still no have issue, it's not easy to shoot without this.
Nah, the G worse than me. Next shooter. People with the range today, we are going to learn how to.
Before you come a rifle competition, go range.
That range, man. Yes, sir.
I say I got the Angie practice every day and you be shooting them fish.
So I'm here then. See that? Oh, Patrick. Oh, Patrick.
No, white belly. Any people are going with the shooting, guess what?
Godfrey, that's a curry cow skin soup, you know.
That is it.
But hold on it. What you have to line?
That is it. That's how short man do soup. Yeah.
People are curry boss that pan the soup, you know. Yeah, man. Respect the people. That is it. How you taste it? Ready? Why you missing? Little more curry?
Now give me final touch, man.
That is it.
Yeah, man, I'm going to touch him. Yeah, man, just want to touch him.
That people. That scotchy there.
Scotchy night.
Somebody load the gun for me there and make me fire. Alright.
People, when I got free, I got fire, you know. Come in, God, I'm bro. What that feel? God free.
Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad.
People look at your rice, Shelly.
Not too bad.
So be a number one rice, I say, and a number two. Be a number one. Shelly. 1 grade.
I train in me there, you can't tell me that. I train in me there, I think I run Gawan and I know how to use my team. That is it. So you have to learn it. Wow. Yeah, Carmen. Alright, take the gun and knock me fire. So you're not going to fire rifle. Right, fire. And we over so you're not going to come in, somebody will listen to me. Come on. Alright, give the station.
Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man.
Leaving them making go
Let me know the,
God, I got on your knee. People, I left the soup pack, God, I got on your knee. God, I pray.
Too high?
Yeah, man, go down, man.
And where they am there?
Now go too low in the lower toilet.
Right between the fork.
Oh,
Not down low, not too high.
between the park.
Too high, way high.
Yeah, but this I learn for fire gun now people. I bust that one that still. I shaking on my people. I put them on.
Too high, they know.
Stand up for it. Too high.
It might just surprise you, man.
Little, what? I'm going to close this.
No bad, we go close.
That was
Better than enough. Alright, we're going to go again. We are still Uber in around 2. That's bad. Rasta time over there, so you know.
Jenna, say you're touching on too? Yeah, man.
Because this is open the panel, now watch this.
Well,
Tune to it, you know. So you just have to just look aim to the object where you shoot between, right?
Sega, man, I watch that alive.
You see where the rubber line up right now, middle here, so. Right, so.
That's not
Right,
our
that's where you have to
food,
aim. Right? And what's between us? Eh? The 70. Yeah. 70.
See big machine the people, big bad machine. Yeah man, I need that. So babes, take a good look on this. I can bring one for me and come. Yeah man. I generally have them not sure like hard like for them. Man in the blue yes baby, I him sell them.
Push in the magazine.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
That is it.
Rasta rifle, Georgie. Let me say, God.
Too high.
Once somebody shoot the back of me and go 50-50.
It's a 50-50 the Angie.
Yeah. Yeah man, so when the Angelique you don't think it easy.
No, it's hard.
Because it's scope no the funny. If you have scope on you cannot miss.
That's true.
You understand?
The people are trying to let them buckle.
Over this.
Let me try something. I print it.
Don't touch it till you're ready for fire back body.
Yeah, man. I wonder if you really know, sir.
Don't point it, son. Never you point at one point. You don't have to touch it, trigger. Never you make a gun.
Flyer! Hey, that peeps.
Until you're ready to shoot. So you aim for out there, but don't play around.
People that they are going to teach you how to fire this thing.
We take ourselves from the light.
Too high.
We up the same and go shoot.
Too high. Too high. Too high. Yeah. Go down and come on. Yeah.
Terminator.
I know you figure down, you know.
Don't tell them too high. Come like a boy, you have to know where you go. Alright. Curry King, I'm going to touch it now, you know.
I shame myself. Let me go shame myself.
I'm going to shame myself.
Let me go shame myself, Judge.
That me I tell you, June not bad for the running target, them man, but him say him not shame himself.
Let me shame myself, sir. Everybody has shame myself.
Where you after?
I go after
The box bigger.
The back.
Yo.
I box everybody up.
You get it on your WhatsApp?
Man at work.
Copy sharp, man. This is what you have.
Sharp shooter.
Alright, now go again.
Don't make him nervous, people. Don't make him nervous.
Alright, sharp, man. Come here.
In rising machine.
Yeah. Current location.
You go over. He line up, but he go.
Why sharp man for your man? We are bossy fish gun them. We're nearer than you, man.
Alright, sharp, man.
Sir Junior, your turn now, you know. Have a boss this thing here, you know.
We need you. Yeah, you can line up you better. That's why I never have it funny one at a time, you know.
Oh, the little piece of panther.
So this now you
Colonel Sharon son, you say? The same team, but you must say nothing.
you don't see Sharon son.
People, Bashi are going full jar himself and a soup. Soup taste some father.
Excellent.
That is it.
Excellent.
That
When
is
I
it.
cool, I know how long I wait for it to cool long. Wait for it long time for cool long, man. To lick the beer them.
Man.
Skin. I'm a man not a drinker, but soap, what? Nice.
Cool, man. Cow skin, you know, man.
Good cow skin soup. Them soup them I like. Good look.
Yeah.
But the thing is that for you, man down there, everyone of them lick it.
Yeah, kind of big and he can't miss. Big and he can't miss. They can't miss him. Yeah, father squid. The man is genius, you know. Oh, yeah, I said. Nice shot, Jam Houston. Nice shot. All right, in front, I think we can go pick up that shot there, Jam, right in front of it. Why, DNG, shame the whole of it, brother. Oh, sir. Take me, you.
No, I just saw see tissue there. See tissue there.
Yeah, right, that's why I'm standing now. Plan him. People squeaker bar, I got fire. People squeaker bar, miss. Bad with it. Squeaker bar, I got mash up the place and now. Right in front time.
You don't give me one.
No, no more. I saw it. Sit down, Granchi. Sit down. Drink something. What do you mean? Yeah, man.
Come in, Junior.
Alright, people. Man with the moving target.
Put him back in the range.
Where DNG stand? Alright, I said DNG stand up, you know. Put him back over the marker. Right eye marker. He said sideways, He said sideways. Alright, people, Father Jonah line it up there.
The back layer shoot after?
You know, say, me not catch it.
I drinks back to the put in the water.
Okay.
It drinks back to the guy.
I don't know what it's saying. I'm a line.
Alright.
Anyone.
You know, say, if this Miss George, Miss No Balance.
No, the scope.
So you can use the scope still.
The scope can't put on it. The scope now.
Mine are your ear, man.
Make you use scope. That was pretty close. That's so close.
Give one more.
Yeah, that was a test run.
Yeah,
Man, catch gotta do that.
Robert. Cleveland two-sided.
Father God for that.
Just cool, man. Just cool, Jamaica.
Super.
One Godfrey. Yo.
Are you a star? Are you sure, man? We see what I go on.
I'm Boko.
Are you a star?
Alright, let's enter, you know.
No, I teach you.
No, move here.
No.
Alright, let's see the top.
No, I teach you.
I know. Hold on.
You can go down a riverside. Go on a riverside.
Where is that? Go put the gun mode for this.
Yes.
Coming out, do Silent.
Everybody have to stand up one place where you can't, some can't near out, some further back.
That is it. Father Josh, come touch it, Father Josh. Man, I'm shooting that shit.
Ricochet come back.
And that means that's a far reach.
I want to catch you twice. I want to catch you. Something to catch you.
And if them money are missing now,
You want attention. And then guess what? Because the scope not upon it, you have to line because this makes you use this.
Right.
Because it's
That
not
is
like
why
other category, you can look into the far.
That is why
All of them are
And that me I say second time is a charm. Come in there, G. Prove yourself, say no buck up. Right, Paul.
Load the gun again, my father.
People, Father Joshua go fire another time. Yeah, Ricochet and catch it. Ricochet, I lick him for chew him off it now a while ago. I people love him because people I see a buck up.
They shoot.
Alright. Father Joshua got to take one more go at it, people.
I will shoot you.
Shoot them, baby.
What they call it? Casualty of war.
And if you go above,
That was cool.
it shot me rubber.
Yeah. The rubber was shot. You know what
You get more power with it, so.
Why? The ball then. You can't like that.
So DNG, where you do? You going to redeem yourself? One time I buck up and 2 times a talent. Twice a talent.
Up in a year, I shoot now. No, don't listen again.
Alright, different target people. You hear that? That is it.
Yeah, man. Jamaica boy, up. Here we are.
What you mean? People. Yeah, man. Wonder.
Yes,
People
General.
watch out, go on.
You can't see soup tree a grow and make the soup man carry back the soup and put on a waiter go in a pot.
Take an extra cup there for me, God.
Alright, and that no one know what go on there. This is for Jamaican.
That is it.
Yeah.
Second cup, this is people. Look on it.
Second cup, my people.
Yeah, man,
you have to take your food up because the tray
Third
is
cup.
full.
Yeah, man. Lifestyle, Jamaica TV. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You see that cow skin here?
Oh,
Man.
Nice. Soup here. The man will make it. You know.
brother.
Right, man, you know him, I do.
I say I not take no forward fryer, but I say just like how you ball out the cow skin. I just see those people, John, the good old cow skin soup, I tell you, say, man, it a galang me up people. I'll buy me left down and I must can walk by next now and you give on people. I tell you, give thanks. Jamaica not them best.
Well, people will eat, but we
Happy
don't want to
birthday,
get,
you know.
don't want to get too
I
fat.
mean,
You know?
you don't know how you make that day possible. I come sit down all and drink 2 soup.
No,
one time,
no,
have
God,
a
I not
real
say
one.
that. We make a
Hey.
day possible.
Man,
Teamwork.
Jamaica what?
No, I and a team. Jamaica not them
Jamaica
best
not them
TV.
TV.
Jamaica not there?
Best TV.
Jamaica there?
The best TV.
And the nicest soup too.
I will
You
tell
know,
you.
go on.
Shoot.
Drop on yourself. People,
A 2
you
cup.
don't know what we do
You
already.
sit down with 2 cup
Yeah,
one
man.
time.
See there.
Alright.
If you don't want to call me Craven, see me here. Go past me.
The crave, you know, people. Yeah, me I tell you, man, say, boy.
Yeah, man, we out here, my people. We out here, active, you know. Yeah, man. Jam Houston, what go on?
There, sir.
How the curry cow skin soup?
Hey, bad. Yeah, Mr. Damian.
You say soup a fighter to George?
Boy, I never know if I drink man beard, you know.
Man beard?
Man shave off his beard, put it in.
No, George.
Short, man. Short, boss. We say you shave off your beard, put in your soup, that's why it's so sweet.
And that's bad, so.
Yeah, man.
Well, anything possible, you know, but sometime, you know, me no shave and it's still bad, you know, so me want to know how I go and see, you know. You understand?
The curry, no.
Hey, script, you ask me, no script.
A curry beard.
Script, you ask me, man. You ask me, man. Yeah, you know.
We out here, my people. We out
Yeah,
here.
man, it's soup. Nice. People see watch out. One done, I'm gonna finish that one.
That is it. When I tell the people, look, at that left. You don't know people. Look. Look at my people. We say that man just a wipe sweat from his chest to his neck to his ear top to. People, that man now, look on him. Only head top alone sweat. My God. Jesus.
That's the bar spot there.
And that's a ball spot there. Oh, blessed love my people. I say my people who don't want to see me. Look for me where I talk. My God. Goodness, grace. That is it, my people. Look for me where I talk. Eh? Oh, they here, my people. We're here, active, we're out here, active. You know, everyone a full joy themselves. You see what I deal with? Everyone a full joy themselves. Curry King! Beg a cup of where you put in ice soup now. That is it, my people.
Yeah, man, I want some cold skin here, man.
You didn't get the knife, son?
Well, I get all of them.
Ain't done, you know?
Seal.
Charger, no. Take it out quick. Charger,
The
live.
recycle cup the gun.
Sure. Charger, live.
Sorry, they got.
That's cool, man. That's why something come on. So it's something come on, brother. See it, my people. Nice and lovely soup in Jamaica. Not them best TV out here.
I think I give me a little problem. You know, I'm tweet. You get a
Search and
you
find.
get a bong Spanish.
Yeah, my people. See that?
Search and find.
Oh. That is it. Jamaican, they are line up people in a line, you know. See?
Yeah, I yeah.
Look them people. Look them people. Look what I go on, you see? Look. That is it. Look at them people.
Third cup this
What
people.
do you mean? That is it, Jamaican. Yeah man.
Babe, as you say, I miss up on the cow skin soup. Everybody love the cow skin soup.
You see that?
Only thing she want from cow skin is a nice leather bag.
Is that nice? Leather belt.
Leather bag.
Leather bag.
She said,
Wow, so where she want wear around the cow skin.
she said only thing she want with the cow skin is a nice leather bag.
And that's why black man skin thick and strong, so man. Then good cow skin there, you know, and goat skin what we eat up in a soup and drink
tell
up
her,
in a soup, you know. That is it. Respect. We're out here. Natty, we not mock you, you know. What go on?
Why I eat, you know?
Okay. General. Excellent.
I just my head tap alone as well.
Mm-hmm.
I just look at the fire there.
Got up on film one and now.
Yeah, my people. I'm going to see so good. Third cup is my people.
Once you see me, 2 cup plus an extra one in this
Mouth all around
third.
water, I have my soup in my hand. You ever see that, my people? My people. Very nice. Jamaica not them best TV.
Respect.
Big up yourself and wish you very more strong like this, my brother, where you can have a celebration, you know?
That is
Yeah,
it.
man, that is it, man. And, you know? Make things happen always, my brother. Big up to your wifey. Yeah, we make this day possible same way for way.
This
Don't
is- that is
alright,
it.
Wifey, enough love and respect, wifey. Honestly. That is it. I am loved by God.
Alright. Check in people. Check when the food are come on.
And then we don't want to
Yes, my people. So my brother there and you're strong. You see me, how you want in your food? You want pork? You want pork? Yo? You want pork? You want chicken and fish first? Okay, then you work for the pork later. Alright.
What you say you want?
Yes.
Chicken and fish you say you want, Jonah?
Beside people.
Piece of breast? Alright. That
Yeah,
is it.
people.
Me don't know breast when you fry different from I breast this.
You see,
Are the
see
titty?
man- see
Are
the
the
man
titty
add-
people?
See man add a titty part, I fold the people.
So,
Yeah,
one
man.
fish there especially for you, you know, me shouldn't carry some bigger plate. But it there, man, chat man, bigger plate. This I can hold man food, man. Wait there, man. No,
No, man. No, man. No disrespect, man.
Alright, so and jumbo plate.
Man, you know what's all this affair?
Watch out. Look at, look at. Come on, shot man.
You know, say big plate.
People look at Curry King, you know. Serious.
Yes, no, man. Yeah, man. See the birthday boy plate, the man. See it there.
Mhm.
People looking
That
good.
is it, my brother. Look for him now. Wifey, you
man.
see wifey? Yeah, wifey, look for him.
Fish there, but chicken in it eat.
Alright.
Yeah, peeps. Yo, brother. Yeah, it's a blessing today, so to link up with the man for the strong celebration. You see?
Fish over plate.
Never planned, but it happened. Yeah.
Alright, sorry, then, my brother. Sorry.
I just
Yes, my brother. Yes, my
see it?
brother. How you mean?
Yes.
That is it. Jamaica not them best
You have to
TV.
treat him well, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
I will to support.
Brother than plate.
Shaja.
what you want? You bachelor?
It's for chili.
For chili. See my people, excellent and nice. Excellent and nice.
Onion and carrot
You
and
see me?
peas.
So Jamaican put some pork on the side round there, son of man.
No, I did the fish and the chicken first.
Fish and the chicken first. Alright, my brother. Alright, my brother.
Fish and I got a sauce.
They want full joy. Yeah. See it, my people. I mean, Jamaica not them best birthday food, this my people. That is it, you see me? Provided by Juna Lifestyle of Fishing. Prepared by Juna Lifestyle of Fishing. Yo. Hold it there, sir.
See, they're a healthy plate.
Yes, yes,
plate.
ma'am.
Come on, see the birthday plate there?
Last time my father, take your hand off your head, man. You're there on Jamaica not them best TV. You relax, my father. You alright? What you want for drink? You alright? You have something to drink. Alright. D&G. Big up yourself, D&G. A young D&G, you know, my people. D&G. Oh, you're powerful, sir.
I'm a first seed.
Yeah, man, your first seed. Implant, you're good in the rasta.
Enjoy with life.
Me say me no get some of that liquor oil. Jeez. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday.
That is it, Jamaica not them best. That is it, that is it.
Big up the chef.
Yeah, man, big up the chef, man, them every time. Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, well, if you give you them out there now.
How are you say, man?
Next thing, people, big up Tata Lifestyle.
Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
D&G son, you know.
Yeah, man, Tata Life, Tata and family. Tata and... And you can't call him, he can't come. Call him, make him come, man. I want to run with the pot.
Me see me run with the pot
You see, people, awesome vibes we have out here. Awesome, awesome vibes. Awesome, awesome, awesome. My people, you know, say, a Jamaica not them best birthday, you know, my people. A Jamaica not them best birthday, you know, my people. So, you know, we just in our life a little bit for today show you and look on camera when you sit down and eat a big plate of food.
People, oh God, man. Nice. And guess it's nice. Pineapple juice,
One river like this, man, have a drive through it. I wonder if I would have cherry. Yeah, upper cherry.
People make chicken every day. So I guess I go on now. To make chicken every day. Top of the morning. When I eat fish. What am I saying?
I try more than one day you not get one, they not get no
I
good.
said, I eat fish.
That is it, my people. We're out here active. Some water. Alright, now worry yourself, we'll soon get some of that for you. Alright, just easily cover 1 minute. Alright. So you see it, my people, stay tuned and watch what I go on. See that? How you mean, uncle? Are your energy this are coming now? You see that, uncle? Special delivery, uncle. Yeah, man, mama. That is it, mama. Enough love, seeing? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that is it. Uncle? How you mean, welcome? How Jam Houston? Yeah, you mean? Yeah, man. Some seat. Yeah, man. That is it. That is it.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes, people. So you don't know when time we reach out back for the over so. You know, don't know the link they still there, people.
Yeah, man.
Nothing more than one time we link up. live and living
They
colors.
can't
You see
make
it?
brother.
Yeah, man.
Oh, family. 1 minute, mama. You know what? Where you say, my boss?
Where you want to feed?
Only give me one fish meantime and one little piece of chicken.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You see me? See me there, my people. And me that, you know, my people. How you mean? Jonah lifestyle, you see me? Yeah, man. Mm-hmm.
Are you this guy?
Yeah, man. Respect my brother.
Yeah, manners, man.
Yeah, man. Respect and thanks, my brother.
Yeah,
Honestly.
Man, a blessing, man.
Honestly, my brother. Respect and thanks, my brother. Yes, my brother. Some people can't even talk. A two hand full. And my mouth full of him run cup. So you don't know what go on. Me I go beg mama to just something like this to me, mama. Please, it a record, mama. Mama.
How's the soup?
The Jamaican at them best TV. Them what mama? You don't know, say I saw something going first part of rice, more going in high part with the sauce, you know.
So I'm not seeing a pork in your plate.
Why is the soup?
I know why long, Jeff.
Only while I get eat.
No. So me a Rasta now, me can't eat you, man.
But all I got hug.
Wild dog a vegetarian hog. Living at the hills and eat just vegetable.
Alright.
And 3 years. Right now it's not tough. Right now. Honestly. Huh?
Who else know I know pork?
That the man that wish if nobody else say that. So you can't get the
Who else put the big pot, the big spoon in the pot and more for me, more for me.
Stephanie,
Who else put the
the
big
best
spoon
part
in the
is.
pot and spin?
A pork pot in there, man. You send him viral, a pork pot.
Is it for a mistake? Yo, are you make them people at top
Oh,
this morning?
one pee-pee.
No, not pee-pee.
Pee-pee, pork pot.
No. Peppa Pig.
Pee-pee,
No,
pork
man,
pot.
Peppa Pig.
I would just say no that they thing. On top of video here right now, people.
Alright, that is
Events on
it.
top of events. Adventure on
Top
top
of
of adventure.
adventure.
You don't know. Enough content to give to people.
That is it.
Entertainment, we say.
That is it.
You see?
That is it. Tata what go on, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean, you don't know Jamaica not them best TV there, you know, the Dan birthday, you know. And they active, you know, you see it, my people. Alright.
Pot, you know?
Yeah, Tata, go and do it meantime. You hear, Tata?
Me never there, but me know them enjoy it.
Just cool now, man. We full enjoy the food, man. We full enjoy the thing, man. That's what I deal with. And something in a igloo they can't drink same way, you know, Tata. So you don't know what thing going on, man. Alright, Tata, we there, seeing? See it, my people. Elders, them there, they are reason long and thing, you know. Yeah, man. Jonah lifestyle. That is it. One lifestyle.
You see it, people. So you see it, all of the utensils them have to clean up, people. So you spend time in a
Hey, sis.
with
Hello,
people
sis.
inside a family.
Sis.
You see it, everything
Sis.
is all taken
It's
care
a PJ there, sis.
Very clean. Very
have a
clean
big
and
spoon.
very clean. Everything.
Yeah, big spoon for wife. Yeah. Alright.
We are behind the scene, but we are putting in the scene.
That is it.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Stay tuned, my people.
Amen. See there, right in the river, people. Clean river water.
Yeah, man.
And see pattern. Sanity, what we say, you know. See there. Yeah, man.
That is it. Yeah, man. So short, man. Take a sip meantime, you wash now. I could see how that look. A river drink them liquor.
No, my river can't drink my liquor, man. If you bring it out to me full back, can't drink it. I can't drink it, man. If you drink it full back, can't drink it, man. So you drink it out.
That is it. That is it. That is it, my people. You see that? It's a good look.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean it's a good look.
Full back in the wall and drink it back out. Yeah? Can't drink
Look at that, my people. Look at that. That beauty coming down from up there. Look at that beauty, my people. Awesome. Awesome. Awesome.
Boy, I look to but I not see me think of the river made one at a time. River man turn up and walk.
So river mama drink out he drink.
Him say.
Yeah.
So I think river woman come down and time. So I evening now, me I say I go to film hours.
Yeah. Yes, my people. Remember my people, you know. Jamaica not them best earth there, but earth strong. Yeah. I mean, I would choose to link up Jonah lifestyle. Yeah, man. Blessed love to wifey who make it possible for we. Honestly, respect to Jamaica and what the husband same way who make it possible for we. So you don't know, you know. PJ.
One team, man.
Say something to wife, you know.
Wife, yes, so I go on so.
Make sure you can cook. No matter with the recipe book. Go in your kitchen because your hand then not look.
Pineapple sauce, pan fish.
Yeah. That is it. Alright. Jonah. Your problem are going over here, you know.
This is a team one is nice, you know, yeah, man. Looking thing. Big up yourself, vibe. Yeah, man. Every time, you see it. Yeah, man. So
me no want the guard doing it.
You know what the guard saltfish?
Carry the bull red.
The bull red. You know what I get?
You know, where you think about the guard? Tell him man where you think about the guard.
Tell him where you think about it.
You like him up here.
Exactly.
How about the meat? Yeah. Oh, well, it tastes good, and I tell you though.
The guard.
Yeah, man, it tastes good.
Look
Man.
time can't taste good bread.
No, the look might not taste good, but it might not look good, but it tastes good.
But you look like something like so you're not going to eat.
I'll get a car already, I don't want to say.
The alligator that you know about are the one when are the fish type alligator that.
Just breathe, man.
I just say
You know, some piece of that fish there or something there. So,
Take your time, boss. Take your time. That is it. Yeah. Alex. Come here, Alex. Alex, come here. That is it, my people. It's a good look.
Because after the people then use them because they know they can anyway you're going to be class so they use them now to use them in a war.
That is it, my people. Nice herd coming in. That is it. That is it. You see it, my people? We're out here active, you know? Yeah, man. That is it, my people. Active. Yeah. This is your Godfrey Osborne at Jamaican at them best TV. That is it, the Jamaican, them my people. Yeah, man, I go and get some pattern, some things sort out, same way. Oh, you mean, him a sharp man, the great Curry King and the elder. Jam Houston, them my people. Remember, run over his channel and give him the love and the support, same way, my people. Yeah, man, Jamaica in Houston. Jam Houston. So that is it, my people. Stay tuned. Watch what I go on.
Because they get more wings, legs,
Wow.
and more, you understand? If
That
it's
is
too
it.
big now, you'll get one big of a piece of chicken like a wheel half pound and then lose. So then use smaller chicken where you know so one breast would have weight quarter
See that?
instead of half pound.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yes, my people. Enough love and respect. Honestly. Jamaican at them best TV, my people. Yeah, man, I is strong and we're there here, you know. Link up with Lifestyle Family. You see it, my people? Yeah, man, enough ones come and drive out back and gone already, you know. All Father Joshy and them. Yeah, man, so you know, gone already. Another one, same way. Whole heap of link up go on at them, my people. Same way, man. Knowledge of power. That is it. At Jamaican at them best TV. And Junior Lifestyle of fishing. So stay tuned, my people. You see me? Yeah, man, we're out here. Epic adventure, we're out here with my people. That is it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Jamaican at them best. See my wash pot there, plate there. Team Burton here.
Teamwork make the team work.
That is it, Jonah
Yeah,
Lifestyle. You see me?
So see, the event was all because of him, people.
Yeah, man.
And you know, a junior plays today. Junior, pick up yourself.
I love you.
Was another good one. All people, we there see him way. Night I come down, so you know what happens. Catch him in the next one, yeah?
Yeah, man. Alright. Subscribe, share, and like. Work is on.
Yes, my people. So you see it? General them out there active, you know? Active. Oh, you mean?
Get the number for you. You know, me put in my phone. Me talk to them. Yeah, man. Godfrey and
Jamaican.
yeah, keep the link.
That is it.
You know?
That is it, George. Big up, no man. Oh, you mean? See it, my people? Everything I get back in a using process again.
So then shine up pretty much.
Yeah, man, that is it, man. See it, my people? One tatan, something there. Yeah, what me not say, the Angie chewing gone mash up works. Yeah. That is it.
But hey, you know what? No, me kind of impressed over this, you know. People, no one just want to say, look on the pattern upon them, what they shine. People, God no, me can't even look on it directly. Me can't, you know when you have to glance sideways.
Yeah, man.
This is the reason why I'm supposed to link up with Junior Lifestyle of fishing people. And if you don't want to have a little birthday bash, any event you don't want to have, man, just link up with Junior. Because look, you see how them man are clean.
Yeah, man.
You see
Everything.
how them will come out to hygiene.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
The people,
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. A wood fire. Yeah, man. True, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Some of them did worse under one day.
Yes.
See them way. That is it. And they not clean. All right. That is it, Jam Houston.
Them pot dark like a night.
True, man. That is it, man. You see me?
I don't feed people. Look how they pot are shiny and pretty.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
On the bushman pot for dark, you know, man. Because bushman have to use the stick fire straight. And then again now. Yeah,
The
man.
only part of black here, so I will make a factory black. You understand?
Yeah.
And anyhow they come here black from the factory. Junior them are turn in a shine pot.
Sure.
Because they must go off every one of the black pot outside.
Outside.
Yeah,
Sure.
man.
Sure.
And yeah, some people I feed people and I feed them out of black pot.
Sure. George, Dad, you don't know, you know.
No, when a big man live, but when he pass them black and I show
Yeah, man. Your appearance, you think you have appearance, man.
one black pot.
Yeah, man, you think you have
Yeah,
appearance.
man.
One black pot.
That is it, my people. Stay tuned, you know, and we're out here. Yeah. One Tata, my people, and Tata and family. Remember, my people, that is it. So, we're out here. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Remember, my people, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, man, remember, click the notification bell, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a family to tell a family. Yeah, that Jamaican at them best TVs out here with Jonah Lifestyle and Jam Houston. Yeah, man, whole family out, the whole team out. You see that, my people? Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah, man, yeah, man. That is it. Greatness out there, my people. Greatness out there. That is it. That is it. That is it. That is it. That is it.